So I got this problem, guys. Trying to need your help. Try to see whether we can, you can give me some suggestion. Right now, this car is on the charger because what I find is my battery was drained after I stopped the car, even shut off the car. So you will hear that there's noise coming from the front of the engine, or somewhere in the middle in the section. You just cycle through it. Right. You're gonna hear a hum, like electronic hum, and then it will just click. So that part definitely coming from the engine, but also I noticed in the cabinet, feel like somewhere in the midsection. And you will also notice the light on the hardtop LED will blink when that happens. Oop. And note that this car was actually locked. Because when I do some of the research, it talk about that if you don't put a car in locked, the car will not go to sleep mode right away. You can see here that even the start stop button will cycle whenever that happens. I'm looking for you guys' help. See whether that's something that you have experience with, and you guys can maybe give me some idea of what to check. Thanks, guys. I'm gonna let you hear in the center console where the cabinet is.